Hello and welcome to Lithium Valley, located here in Dongguan, the heart of China's manufacturing innovation. Let me show you what makes our company a trusted leader in the energy storage industry. Behind every product is our highly skilled R&D team, a state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities with over 18 years of industry experience. We've built a reputation for delivering reliable and innovative energy solutions worldwide. Welcome to our showroom, where we display the latest technologies and products, from cutting-edge battery modules to comprehensive energy storage solutions. Each innovation is a testament to our dedication to sustainability and efficiency. We offer residential energy storage, commercial and industrial energy storage, and power batteries. Come take a look. As you can see, we offer wall-mounted home energy storage as well as stackable solutions, starting from 5 kilowatts right up to 15. And we even have the stackable solution, which starts at 2.76 kilowatts, as you can see, which ranges right up to 15 kilowatts. Depending on a customer's needs and wants, we can also build customized solutions. As you can see on display, we have a 5 kilowatt 100 amp battery, a 10 kilowatt 200 amp residential low voltage battery, our 3U batteries. So the sky is the absolute limit. Whatever you are looking for in energy storage, Lithium Valley can provide you with it. At Lithium Valley, innovation and sustainability drive everything we do. Join us as we create a brighter and greener future together. Come, follow me. Let me show you some of our products on the commercial side. So here we have a mobile energy storage system. You can either use a 20 kilowatt inverter or a 50 kilowatt inverter. And you can pair your batteries 60, 80 or 100. This is an ideal solution for peak shaving. Then we move over to our commercial batteries. Lithium Valley has got two commercial batteries, a 10 kilowatt 200 amp high voltage battery and a 14 kilowatt 280 amp voltage battery. Our batteries are equipped with fire protection. We also have fans as well as various different options. We can pair with various inverters. If you were, for instance, to pair with a Daya 50 kilowatt, you can add 14 batteries as one cluster, and you can go up to a total of 25 clusters. Our solutions are trusted by leading clients in industrial, commercial, and renewable energy sectors. Together, we are enabling energy efficiency and achieving sustainability goals across the globe.